नमस्कार। श्री श्री रामकृष्ण कथामृत। तव कथामृतं तप्त जीवनं कविभिरीडितं कल्मषापहं श्रवणमंगलं श्रीमदादतं भुवि गृह्णन्ति ये भूरिदा जनाः। श्री श्री रामकृष्ण कथामृतो प्रथम भाग तृतीय खंडो प्रथम परिच्छेद. So today we will be starting the third chapter of the first volume of Sri Sri Ramakrishna Kathamrito, the Gospel of Sri Ramakrishna in Bengali, and reading of the first chapter. Now, what's this third chapter about? Sinthi Brahmo Samaj Darshan o Srijutto Shibanath Prabhuti Brahma Bhakto Diger Shohit Kothopokothon o Anando. In this third section, we will read about visit of Sri Ramakrishna to the Sinthi Brahmo Samaj and conversation with Shivanath and other Brahmo devotees, Kathopokothon o Anando, and of course a joyful time, a blissful time. Needless to say, wherever Sri Ramakrishna is there is nothing but bliss and joy and peace. So we are going to see this blissful atmosphere. We are going to participate in this joyous conversation at Sinthi Brahmo Samaj. Pratham Pariched. The first chapter is about Utsav Mandire Sri Ramakrishna. The first chapter is about Sri Ramakrishna at the religious festival. Apparently, some festival is being organized by Brahmo devotees at Sinthi and Sri Ramakrishna is visiting it. Now, Sri M starts the narration of this chapter. Sri Sri Paramhansa Dev Sinthir Brahmo Samaj Darshan Korite Ashiachen. Paramhansa Sri Ramakrishna has come to Sinthi Brahmo Samaj to visit Sinthi Brahmo Samaj. Sri Ramakrishna has come. Now, Sri M has addressed Sri Ramakrishna here in this sentence as Sri Sri Paramhansa Dev. Now, there is a reason. Paramhansa is the person who has reached the ultimate stage on the path of spirituality, the ultimate destination, who has realized the ultimate truth. And why Paramhansa? Paramhansa is a swan. Now there is a saying that the swan, when you give milk to swan, to Hansa, swan will pick up only the milk portion and leave behind the water portion from the milk. Only the thing that is required, that is most useful, that thing the swan will take. Now, theoretically, scientifically, how it happens is the swan will take out some secretions from its mouth, may possibly some enzymes, milk curdling enzymes. It will curdle the milk and the swan will take out only the most nutritious solid portion and leave aside the milk. Although, okay, that also has some nutrition nowadays, scientifically people say, but traditionally it has been a thought that the swan will take only the real useful thing in the milk. And like swan, the Paramhansas, they will pick up only those things which are really useful to understand the ultimate truth. And that's why such people are called Paramahansas, the supreme swans for that matter. And why Sri M has used this epithet for Sri Ramakrishna here? Because he is a person who has reached the ultimate goal on the spiritual path. Otherwise, the great learned Brahmo leaders would not have revered and accepted him as their guru. And here, Sri Ramakrishna has come to another Brahmo meeting. The earlier Brahmo meeting we have seen on the steamer with Sri Keshav Chandra Sen and others. So, again for the second time, Sri Ramakrishna has come to the Brahmo devotees to share his nectar-like teachings. And that is the way possibly Sri M addresses Sri Ramakrishna as Paramhansa Dev in this first line of the first chapter of third section of first volume of Sri Ramakrishna Kathamrita. 28 October 1882, 28th October 1882 as per the Gregorian calendar, Krishtabdo as per the Christian calendar. Shonibar, it is a Saturday. Ashwin Masher Krishna Dvitiya Tithi. Now Shreyam also gives the coinciding date as per the Hindu almanac, Panchang. That is the second day of the Krishna Paksha, the dark fortnight of Ashwin Mas, of the month of Ashwin. And that is the day Sri Ramakrishna has come to Sinti Brahmo Samaj. Aaj ekhane Mahotsav. Today there is a grand celebration. Brahmo Samajer Shanmasik, the semi-annual celebration of the Brahmo Samaj, which they conduct at the interval of 6 months, semi-annual. Tai Bhagavan Sri Ramakrishner ekhane nimantron. That's why the Lord Sri Ramakrishna has been specifically invited here to participate in this semi-annual grand celebration of the Brahmo Samaj. Bela 3টা 4টার সময়ে তিনি কয়েকজন ভক্ত সঙ্গে গাড়ি করিয়া দক্ষিণেশ্বরের কালীবাড়ি হইতে শ্রীযুক্ত বেণী মাধব পালের মনোহর উদ্যান বাটিতে উপস্থিত হইলেন. So around 3 or 4 in the afternoon, they have started from Dakshineshwar Kali temple, Sri Ramakrishna with other devotees also. They all have started in a carriage and they have reached the beautiful garden house of Beni Madhav Pal at Sinti. এই উদ্যান বাটিতে ব্রাহ্ম সমাজের অধিবেশন হইয়া থাকে. In this garden house of Beni Madhav Pal, usually the meetings and the gatherings and celebrations of Brahmo Samaj at Sinti, they take place. So Sri Ramakrishna has come to this beautiful garden house. Brahmo Samaj ke tini bodo bhalobashen. Sri Ramakrishna loves the Brahmo Samaj very much. And we have seen the way he enjoyed his time with the Brahmo devotees, Keshav Chandra Sen and Vijay Krishna Goswami, who is now, he has parted ways with Keshav, but still another portion of Brahmo Samaj. So we have seen on that steamer ride how much Sri Ramakrishna also enjoyed and the Brahmo devotees also enjoyed. So Sri Ramakrishna has a great love for these Brahmo devotees. Brahmo Bhaktagon o tahake satishaye bhakti shraddha koren. And in return, the Brahmo devotees also, they love and revere him to a great extent. That also we have seen. The way Sri Keshav Chandra Sen, he prostrated before Sri Ramakrishna, falling flat on the floor, touching his forehead onto the ground, how he had saluted Sri Ramakrishna after that boat steamer ride. So that is the reverence, that is the love even the Brahmo devotees have for Sri Ramakrishna. ইহার পূর্বদিন অর্থাৎ শুক্রবার বৈকালে কত আনন্দ করিতে করিতে স্বশিষ্য শ্রীযুক্ত কেশবচন্দ্র সেনের সহিত ভাগীরথী বক্ষে কালীঘাটি হইতে কালিকাতা পর্যন্ত ভক্ত সঙ্গে স্টিমার করিয়া বেড়াইতে আসিয়াছিলেন। Just a day earlier. That we have seen in the second section. Just a day earlier, how merrily, how blissfully, along with Keshav Chandra Sen, Sri Ramakrishna, starting from Kalibadi, they had all along in that steamer, they had come to Kolikata, and such a grand time, such a wonderful, blissful time of listening to his teachings. The Brahmo devotees had spent, and also talking to all these Brahmo devotees, how much wonderful, joyous moments Sri Ramakrishna had also spent. And now the narration continues. Sinti Paikpadar Nikot. Now where is Sinti? Sinti is near Paikpada. Kolkata hoite 1.5 ক্রোশ uttore. Now Sri M is giving the geographic location of Sinti. Where is it Sinti? Sinti is near Paikpada and located from the din of the city about 3 miles north of Calcutta. 1.5 crore. 1.5 crore is about 3 miles. 1.5 kos. About 2 kos is 1 mile. So 1.5 kos approximates to 3 miles. So about 3 miles north of Calcutta. Udyan batiti monohor boliachi. The garden house is such a lovely. It is such a beautiful garden house. Sthanti oti nibhut. The place is absolutely isolated from the humdrum of the city. Isolation like a solitude. What Sri Ramakrishna always says, get into solitude. Nirjone ekanto bash. So likewise, this sthanti oti nibhut. It is away from crowd, away from humdrum of the city affairs. Bhagavaner upashanar pokshe bishesh upajogi. Exactly as Sri Ramakrishna every time tells, Nirjane hoiya, go in solitude, absolutely suitable for what Sri Ramakrishna always recommends. Udyan Shami বছরে 2 বার মহোৎসব করিয়া থাকেন. The owner of this garden house, we have seen his name. What is his name? Beni Madhav Pal. He arranges 2 festivals every year at 6 monthly interval in this lovely, beautiful garden house, which is such a great solitude to perform spiritual austerities. এই মহোৎসব একবার শরৎকালে আর একবার বসন্তে. Now these are the 2 occasions that Beni Madhav Pal arranges the semi-annual festivals of Brahmo Samaj in this garden house. One in autumn and one in the spring. One Sharat and one Bosant. So these are the 2 times that Brahmos have their grand semi-annual celebrations here. তাই এই মহোৎসব উপলক্ষে তিনি কলিকাতার ও সিন্থির নিকটবর্তী গ্রামের অনেক ভক্তদিগকে নিমন্ত্রণ করিয়া থাকেন. And therefore today he has invited many devotees from Calcutta and nearby villages of Sinthi today for this grand celebration. তাহাদের মধ্যে তাই আজ কলকাতা হইতে শিবনাথ প্রভৃতি ভক্তগণ আসিয়াছেন. That is why, since he has invited Beni Madhav Pal, he has invited so many Brahmo devotees from Calcutta and from nearby places. That's why today uh, the dignitaries like Shivnath Shastri and other devotees have come from Calcutta to participate in these celebrations. তাহাদের মধ্যে অনেকই প্রাতঃকালে উপাসনায় যোগদান করিয়েছেন. Some of them, তাহাদের মধ্যে, from among them, অনেকেই, most of the people from this group who have assembled, they have attended the service from morning itself. আবার সন্ধ্যাকালীন উপাসনা হইবে তাই প্রতীক্ষা করিতেছেন, and now waiting for the evening service to be performed, and they are all waiting for Sri Ramakrishna. বিশেষতঃ তাহার শুনিয়াছেন যে অপরাহ্নে মহাপুরুষের আগমন হইবে ও তাহার আনন্দ মূর্তি দেখিতে পাইবেন, তাহার হৃদয়ে মুক্ত করি কথামৃত পান করিতে পাইবেন, তাহার সেই মধুর সংকীর্তন শুনিতে ও দুর্লভ হরিপ্রেমময় নৃত্য দেখিতে পাইবেন. Now, what is the expectation of all these people who have gathered there? They are very keen. They know Sri Ramakrishna is coming. So, they are particularly interested for this evening service. Why? Because they have heard that a great saint will be there in the afternoon. ও মহাপুরুষের আগমন হইবে. All these people, they have heard that a great saint is going to visit this grand festival in the afternoon, and they want to see his blissful figure. তাহার আনন্দ মূর্তি দেখিতে পাইবেন, and they know that we are going to see that blissful form, that blissful figure of one great saint. And তাহার হৃদয় মুক্ত করি কথামৃত পান করিতে পাইবেন. We will be able to listen to those nectar-like words which are going to mesmerize our hearts, which are going to fill our hearts with great devotion. তাহার সেই মধুর সংকীর্তন শুনিতে ও দুর্লভ হরিপ্রেমময় নৃত্য দেখিতে পাইবেন. And all these people who have gathered there, they are all excited, they are keen, they are yearning to listen to those beautiful devotional songs. They all know what a great singer Sri Ramakrishna is. And once he starts singing those devotional songs, he just carries all the listeners with him in that devotional emotion. They just get drowned in that devotion, in that emotion of devotion. And ও দুর্লভ হরি প্রেমময় নৃত্য দেখিতে পাইবেন. They know once Sri Ramakrishna starts singing this song, and once he starts dancing in that devotional mood, that is a sight to be seen. That is a sight to behold in the heart, which we will capture through eyes and we have to behold in our heart. Everyone knows that. Everyone knows what a grand time they are going to have with Sri Ramakrishna coming over there to participate in this festival, and therefore all of them, they are just They are keen, they are yearning to have that vision of Sri Ramakrishna, to listen to his words, nectar like words addressed to them. So that is what the gathering is all looking forward to. So that is how Sri Ramakrishna is going to participate in the celebrations of the Sinti Brahmo Samaj, and the details we will read in our next reading. Today we have just seen what is the atmosphere, how keenly this Brahmo devotees, they are waiting for Sri Ramakrishna. We'll also wait for one more day, and till then, Om Namah Shri Bhagavate Ramakrishnaaya. Shri Ramakrishna Arpanamastu. Jai Thakur, Jai Ma, Jai Swami.